Hi, I'm Jonathan. Today I want to talk about texture beds. That's that colour you can see on my site. Look how much easier it is to have a texture bed than to not have one. Where's my site gone? It's really hard to see. The texture bed is really cool because it follows the slope of the site model. Nothing else you need to do to it. It's like throwing a blanket on the site model. All you need to do is to create an object, make it a texture bed, create a class that has a texture, and Vectorworks will show you the texture bed. So just quickly, we're going to make that into a texture bed. Site modifier, texture bed. It's going on the site existing. This class has no texture to it, so it's just going to end up with a grey fill. Now let's update our site model, and you can see it's got this blanket over the whole thing. So this is applied to the existing site model. When we change our site model to proposed only, you can see both the existing and the proposed texture beds. And you'll notice that the proposed texture bed following the proposed site model is draping down into the site. Hey, thank you for watching. My name's Jonathan. Now this is really just a small part of a much more detailed movie that's on my website. If you want to get the most effective Vectorworks learning, join my website at school.com/JonathanPickup. See ya.